Alright guys, so we are finally here at the car show, and I think it's going to be a really good car show, guys. So there's a lot of nice cars. Before I get started, I just want to let you guys know I do not have copyright to this music here. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about this music at the car show, guys. So I apologize about that, and I hopefully I won't have to do a lot of music over it, okay? So I'm going to do less talking, and we're going to get into this video, do some filming. Let's get to it.
What'd you bring?
Handmade pottery right here in Damascus. Microwave and dishwasher is safe. Support your local business, people. And definitely.
Oh, okay. That's my hole back there.
Lord, you say?
Alright guys, let's walk over here and check out this row here, man.
Well, I hope we're here, but we won't guarantee nothing.
At least what it
All right, Shannon, back to you, bud.
All right, guys, I got a few announcements here now. I'm going to go through these. And we got a few sponsors here.
Doing great.
So I'm going to go through list one here. And try to do my best on this part, okay? Number one is HD Supply White Cap. They're going to be sponsoring one of our awards for the farthest distance. That's HD Supply and White Cap. Lakeside Ready Mix. They're going to be sponsoring the Rev It Up Champ. Local 5886. In memory of Trilla Puckett. Going to be sponsoring the Slick 60s Award. That's in memory of Trilla Puckett. The Seven Trails Grill. Seven Trails Grill is going to be sponsoring the Young Rodder. Fisher Hollow Veterinarian Clinic. Fisher Hollow Veterinary Clinic is going to be sponsoring the Coolest Truck. And of course, the Dairy Queen on exit 19.
This was my first, I have to say, classic car that I had a red.
Lakeside Ready Mix. United Steelworkers, local 5886. Brian Small Engine and Parts. In memory of Trilla Puckett and Seven Trails Grill.
Yeah.
Finally, Fisher Hollow Veterinary Clinic and Dairy Queen on exit 19 are just a handful of our sponsors. We're going to be calling off some more. We'll get you a little bit of music. And let you
use my gun.
Pretty good.
After they take care of you in their own way.
So 12, 3 and 35 is your birthday.
I just don't know. I don't care.
Boyd was her husband. He died about 2 years ago. We built this Jeep. We had a military preservation group in West Virginia, and Papa had this Jeep forever. We said, well, Dad, let's just build it instead of keep tinkering with it. So we got all the guys together. We got an engine guy, the electric guy, the tranny guy, and we said, just give it to us. So about a couple months worth, and then one weekend we put it all together. We said, let's take it to the parades. So Papa was able to drive it instead of work on it for the last couple of years of his life.
So it's like the original motor, or is it different?
Oh yeah, no, all original.
Try and not hit the none.
And so we're restoring that 41
Sent you in the water.
This is the 43 Ford.
Junkin' Shenanigans, best original. That's Junkin' Shenanigans. It's sponsoring the best.
All right, guys, so I won't forget, this vehicle here belongs to Judy and Joe Blevins. We're about to do a nice little, I wouldn't say car review, but we're about to go over it and take some nice videos of it, guys. Let's take a quick walk. Here's another old Jeep right there. For sale too, man.
I'm going to meet him at that price.
Yeah,
You'd be
it's a good
surprised.
price.
It's a
Yes, it
very
is.
good price. Thank you.
I wish you luck, buddy.
Okay. Have a good one.
I saw they were opening up. So I had to go back and read it again. What it was maintain 50% occupancy.
By the way, John Moore right here, he has his album down here in front of the stage. He's selling copies out. I'm sure he's going to be performing some of this album today. Please stay down here and support John. He is a huge local.
They all do.
And there's a wonderful artist. We
Yep.
appreciate him for coming up here. And I'm sure he's going to talk about Camp for Heroes too.
Ah!
Is that you taking the pictures from the drone?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear the story of these two?
I saw them winning in the magazine. All right, guys, so we've had a blast out here at this little car event, man, here in Damascus, Virginia. This is the first car show that I've actually been to here in Damascus, and I think it actually turned out really well. So I'm going to let you guys go before they start with this music. But hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. Also, thanks for watching these videos, guys. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a fast car truck, smoke him if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.